Y'all ready for something new? Did somebody say just eat? Oh, you thought it was just burgers and fries. They got more flavors than you tasted or you heard in your life. Ooh, this is what the app do. It ain't only fast food. Switching styles like opera to rap too. Yummy. And it ain't only restaurants anymore. We can go bananas at the grocery store. I'm a bad girl, but my takeout better. What you need, dude? I could cop a taco platter. Thai rice, sticky icky. Gyoza on the side, fried right, cause we kinda picky. Breakfast or lunch, dinner or brunch. Wanna find the finest dining? I got a hunch.
And some hot